Artificial intelligence, AI, from assistance to augmentation. Artificial intelligence has evolved from a futuristic concept to a vital component of modern life. By 2025, AI will be deeply integrated into our daily routines, transforming everything from personal assistance to complex problem solving. Advanced AI assistants will anticipate our needs, manage schedules, and streamline tasks, making our lives more efficient and productive. In business, AI will automate repetitive processes, optimize decision-making, and enhance customer experiences through personalized interactions. Healthcare will witness breakthroughs as AI aids in diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery, leveraging vast data sets for precision medicine. The education sector will benefit from AI-driven customized learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs for more effective teaching. The potential of AI extends to environmental sustainability, where it will analyze data to optimize energy usage, reduce waste, and predict environmental changes. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations regarding data privacy, job displacement, and decision transparency will be crucial to ensure its responsible deployment. The year 2025 will mark a significant leap in AI capabilities, driving innovation and transforming multiple sectors.